Well, as you saw from my little quick video, you remember this '08 Impala. It's the old Chesapeake PD car. I got her back for $200 because I couldn't let her die. But she's asking for death, I think. I already punched out some of the dents in the roof. I'll probably do more later. Nasty stickers. And my old antenna work, it's still holding on strong. Slightly off color with the wing. She's been through hell. That's still on there. Oof. She's been, I'm sad. She was a very nice running car. A very, very nice running car. She's been sitting for a while because they abandoned her, and they couldn't find the keys, so they ripped the door. I don't want to breathe this shit in. It smells so bad. But they cut out the back seat to get to the back. It's full of everything. The hood's dented, the front bumper's damaged. Somehow the windshield didn't crack. Lord knows how it didn't. So let's say $40, $50, $100, $5 for the molding. I might replace the back bumper, don't know yet. $50 for the back seat, $100 for a key. It's so fucking bad. Oh god, smell. She's in bad shape. Her power steering rack is broken. This poor car. It was a nice car. I can't fire her up right now because the battery's at home charging. But it's fucking depressing because I love this car. Oh yeah, the prior owner punched the radio in because he got mad at his wife. I'm opening up all the doors. I'm trying to let some of the funk out. Oh god, it's even worse. I'm going to crawl through the back seat like they originally did. To try and empty out the back seat from all the crap. Oh, empty out the... Oh, my poor old car. Oof. I'm sad. The smell is god awful. Why? I'm gonna turn the... out. Let's see, I'm gonna record this. This is interesting. Might close the door partially. Alright. I'm just gonna set you guys up on the driver door for a minute. And there goes my phone. Alright, press again. Pills. Gross. Looking for her Mustang. She bought a Mustang after this. Gross baby socks. Okay. trust any liquid in this car to be what it is. Oh god, the smell. There's a ripped up trash bag in here. Full of jewelry boxes and shit. Oh, this is bad. Might end up reusing this bag. Because there's so much crap in here. Oh, the big gulp. Oh god, it's bad. My hand feels sticky. Ah, diapers. At least they're not used. It's so bad. Bag is full. I'll be back. The bag is empty again. It's so fucking bad. Ugh. Where's that battery? I can lift these seats up and get underneath them. Actually, I can use these floor mats inside the other port. The power of Lysol compels you. The power of Lysol compels you. The power of Lysol compels you. This poor fucking car. God damn it. There's so much shit in here. A bag of fucking Cheetos. A bag of fucking Cheetos. I'll be back. Round 2. Getting the bigger stuff in the back too. Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna stop recording. I'm upside down. I'm gonna stop recording so I can finish this up and not worry as much, but it's fucking bad still. Oh my god. Be back. I got into the trunk. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I found some Waffle House stuff. It's bad. I had to climb through the fucking back of the seat there. Let's see what's in here. Trying to find a balance point. I think you guys can see me alright. Eardrops. Waffle House aprons. I'll just keep that as a joke. Even though diapers, new, thank Christ. More new diapers. Drunk Gatorade. Neat. Huggies baby wipes. Cool swimmer thing. Bag of something. Jeans that won't fit me, but ew, they feel gross. Holy shit, I didn't know denim could feel that bad. Kids onesie thing. Oh, more pants. More chips. Holy crap, there's a lot of food in this car. Mother's milk. Lift up bag. Car seat cover. Something with a net. That's an oil filter, I'll keep that. That'll save me some money. Brand new antifreeze, R134. Kids' pants. There's nothing really important in here. Ew, why is that moist? Good God. Oh, it's so gross in here. Oh, please tell me that's just oil. Or Monster. I'll take that over what I hope it wasn't. I'm gonna be at the bag again as it starts the sun shower. Next trip. Water bottle. I like to keep the brand new stuff just because it's brand new. Nope, not that one. Melted M&Ms. I love the Copper Tone Baby. More water. Good light. Huh. That's pretty much it. Oh my. So, this thing is still not mobile, take these two. Put a nut after one end over there. Put this in around the kids lock. You guys can't see it, but just give me a second. So yeah, it's tied up here. If I can get to the trunk later. This is left pretty much. Oof. Yeah, so far it's pretty much a bit out for what I can get right now. What movie is that anyway? Gnomeo and why? Oh well. Oh, there's so much crap left to do in here, but for right now, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray Lysol, bomb the shit out of it, and just come back later when it's cooler out. Oh, my poor Impala. It was a good car. It will be again, hopefully, maybe.